Hey Divi Nation, thanks for coming by our documentation to learn about Divi's video modules. So you're probably familiar with the fact that within WordPress you can copy and paste a URL from most popular video hosting services and it'll display on your website automatically, which is awesome, but it doesn't have the same design and customization options that Divi's video module has, which can be really powerful and allow you to get super creative with how you display videos on your website. So we're going to show you how to do all of that in this documentation video. Check it out.
In this video, I'll be giving you an overview of Divi's video module. Adding videos to your web page is really simple using this video module. It allows you to embed videos from different sources, and it allows you to add certain customizations to it, like a custom thumbnail image overlay or a play button customization there to match your site. It also just creates this cleaner style for your embed. So it's a great option for displaying your videos. And let's go ahead and take a closer look at the module. Let's go ahead and check out the settings for our video module here. You'll see that under the Content tab, I have a spot to enter my URLs for my video. Since I'm embedding a YouTube video, I simply need to get the URL from YouTube and paste it in this first input box here, labeled video mp4/URL. Since I am using a YouTube video embed, I can also generate, if I wanted to, an image from my video. This will allow me to not only have a custom overlay image, but also give me the capability of adding that nice play button that I can also customize. If I don't want to generate it from the video, which is a nice quick option, I can customize my own image and upload it here. So if I go to my upload in my media gallery here, just pick an image and then upload that image to serve as my overlay. And there you go. That's another option. I could also add a self-hosted video. Let's say I don't want to use a YouTube. I have my own video that I've uploaded to my WordPress site, or maybe I'm hosting it on Amazon S3 and I have the URL for that. You will need two files in order to have the best cross-browser functionality or display for your video. You'll need an MP4 and a WebM file of your video, and you can paste them or upload them here. So if I go to upload, and then I can find my MP4 file, enter it there, and then my WebM file of the same video. With both of those, I'll have the best cross-browser support. And since I am using my self-hosted videos, I won't be able to do this quick little generate from video. I will need to upload my own image here to serve as my overlay if I wanted to. If I didn't have the overlay, you can see that my video would be not as clean looking, and it wouldn't have my my custom little play button as well. So we want to keep that custom overlay there. It looks nice. Let's go to our design tab. Let's see what other customizations we can make. Under the design tab, you can change the color of your play icon here to match the style of your site, which is a great option. And some of the more common settings that you'll find in most of your modules, like sizing, changing the width of your module, the spacing, and of course adding an animation style to the module. All right, let's go ahead and save this out, and you'll notice if I save my page, and let's go ahead and see what this looks like on the live site, our video display. As you hover over the video, the overlay image is a little darker. That way it makes the play button pop. And if I click play, you'll see the video automatically play. All right, and there's your overview of the video module.